Hello everyone, it's Gigi Faison here. Thank you and welcome to my channel. Tonight I want to present to you um, a little DIY, and the reason why I want to do this DIY is because these are the placemats that I'm using on my tablescape. Yes, it looks like a napkin right now, but these are the extra ones. I generally try to buy 8 of whatever I buy for my 6 table setting. And so I am using this as a placement on the table, not necessarily on the plate, but just as an additive piece of decor on the tablescape. So I didn't have any napkins to assist with this decor. What I was using was the white napkins with the gold napkin ring, but this just wasn't cutting it for me. So I've looked into the stores. I can't find anything that's going to work for me. So I've gotten creative. I created this one by adding the gem ribbon onto this. I used hot glue for this one, and the hot glue is really messy. So I remember or recall buying the fabric glue that I had purchased a while back. So I'm going to attempt to use the fabric glue. I've taken the ribbon gems, and they come, this is like the 4-piece setting, or the actually it's the 6 line, but what I've done is I've cut them down to 3, and I'm going to use these. And actually I've used the spool. The spool was $9.99, and I want to say I purchased this from Hobby Lobby. It's the Robert Stanley collection, 1 by 5 inch by 15 feet, and this was $9.99. So I didn't think it was too bad because I've used this for some other things before. But I'm going to get busy and get this done, and I will come back and share with you my finished product. And I really like the way this turned out, but the glue is messy on my nails and just really wasn't cutting it for me. But just look at this placemat. I mean, this is just beautiful, and the white just wasn't doing it for me. So I will go ahead and attempt to use this fabric glue. I have my scissors. I still have my glue gun. I generally use the High Temp Pro 100 glue gun with the Gorilla glue sticks. So they're on standby if this fabric glue doesn't satisfy me. So what I'm going to do is get started here. Is anybody else like when you go to do something, it's like you think you have everything that you need until you get ready to get started, and then you realize, oh, I don't have X, Y, or Z. I went to my car earlier prior to starting this to look for some sequin that I had purchased earlier today from Joann's, and this is the sequin. I may apply some of this, I may not, just depending on what it looks like when I'm done. But I knew I had brought the bag in, and for the life of me I couldn't find it. So I backtracked to my car to see if maybe I went to get it and just didn't get it, or did I stop along the way and place it somewhere. Anywho, it wasn't there. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and start without it. I don't have time because I have some other things I need to get done. I have another tree I need to put up. I've actually put up 3 trees already, and I have one more to put up here, which is the main tree in the great room. But I am taking down my fall decor and that's been taskful. I don't know if I'm going to put up fall decor next year, being that I have decided to become a YouTuber and trying to run a business full time and do this in my spare time. I don't think that I'll be able to do all the things that my heart desires. But anyway, this is and this says that it has to sit for 24 hours, which is perfect for me. I can just do these tonight and finish my table tomorrow. And it says to press. So I'm pressing. And if anyone has ever used this tacky glue before, if you'll leave me a comment, or if you know something that's better to use on fabric, if you will chime in just in case this doesn't work. Right now it's looking okay. I'm just gonna have to find me a spot to place these so they can rest for the 24 hours. So this is the first one. It's complete, and I think I'm gonna like it. We will see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do a few more of these, and I will share with you when I do the reveal of all of my decor. Oh, this is not working. This is not working. Look, before I can even pick it up, it's I just have to do the hot glue. It says to press, but I've been pressing. I think I'm just going to go ahead and use the hot glue. I don't have time for all of this. So you'll see me live and in action. I know what I want. I know where I'm trying to get to. This one didn't work, so we're going to try the hot glue gun again. Here we go. And these are just for decorations, not for any type of use, so. Let's start over. I don't know what kind of glue this is, but I thought it was the Gorilla Glue, but I am not happy with it. Let's try this again. Boom. And boom. Okay. lot better. Let's try this side here. I know when I start working with this glue, my eyes just start to burning. I wouldn't sell this to anybody. I'm only doing this to use at my own home. If I was going to do it for somebody else, of course, it would have to be a lot cleaner, a lot neater, and I would have to figure out something other than this hot glue gun. All right. This first one that I did off camera, absolutely no problems. Other than the glue being sticky, this one, I guess my fingers are sticky. All right, here we go. That is a lot better. And there we have it. So what I'm going to do is place this to the side and just let it sit and rest. Here I go again. Can't find what I'm looking for. Oh my goodness. And these are the S6 set of 2 napkins. I bought these from Bed Bath & Beyond. These were $5.99 each. They were $9.99, but I had my coupon. And this nice lady in the line gave me another coupon. One was 20% off. One coupon was 15% off. So, but yeah, let me go ahead and get started and try to do one more. And again, this is Gigi Face, and I thank you for checking into my channel. If you like what you have seen tonight, I ask that you come back and see my final reveal of my Christmas decor. This napkins will be placed on my tablescape for this season, Christmas 2019. I pray that you all have a safe holiday. Happy Thanksgiving to you all. And again, if you like what you have seen, please come back and see more. Leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you. Have a blessed day, blessed evening, blessed night, until we see each other again. Thank you so much. This is Gigi Facin'.